Hi everyone, for today's origami video we'll be folding a zebra origami, and like usual we'll be starting off with a square piece of origami paper first, and we'll make the kite base, which is really easy. We fold it in half diagonally. Open it up, and then we fold either side towards the center crease we just made. Cool, and then this is our kite base, nice and easy. So then the next thing we want to do is fold either side towards the center. So these 2 points here, we're gonna fold almost to the center, but not exactly. So about this much. So we have like a small gap in the middle. And then we're going to fold the top down, so creasing it down like so. So yep, it should look like this once you fold the top down. And then for the bottom here, we're gonna fold up and then back down. So following these 2 points as guidance to fold up, we're gonna fold up. And then we're gonna fold back down once we've done that. And then we want to flip the model over. Oops. And then the top here we want to fold. So again, we don't want to fold it so it's exactly in the center here, but we want to fold it back slightly. And as we do so, it's going to flip the other side back. So we want to fold it down about, maybe a bit more than that actually, about this much. So like this much we want to fold down, and then for the top crease here we want to fold this up as well. About this much. Cool. So then once we've done that, we want to flip it round to the other side again, and we basically want to fold the left and right side towards the middle, but not exact. So it's like there's a small gap in the middle, so like about this much in we want to fold. So here's how it was like. For that we want to fold it in about this much. Awesome. So now that both sides folded in, gonna turn it round a bit, and we will then open these up. So if you see here, if you put your finger underneath, we're gonna just open and flatten these folds so it looks like this, and do the same for the bottom one. We're gonna open it up and flatten the fold. And do the same for the bottom ones. Cool, so then that's how it should look like now, and we're just going to fold this back on itself. So this part here, you want to fold back. Like so, and then I'm gonna just fold it back forward again with it like slightly poking out. Like so. And then for the end here, we want to kind of like, if we squeeze it and then like it makes, actually flip it round first, we want to kind of make a triangular shape, I guess, at the end here when we squeeze. So like that, and then do the same on the other side, making a triangular shape like that. And what we're gonna do is fold this back. These two here we're gonna fold back, open, and then like that. We actually want to do it on the other side if we open this again and reverse the fold, so it's like this instead. I did it the wrong way around the first time, and then fold this one back as well. So folding it, and as we do so, we want to lift this up completely. So as we fold, I'm gonna, as we do that, straighten this out so it's facing upwards. No, don't do that. So it's like this. So that's how the body looks, and then just gonna fold the top down, gonna open it and then fold down like so, and then gonna fold this here, the part of the neck forward to like create like stripes basically, and then do the same on the other side, folding this part forward. And then what you can do is just fold this back on itself so it's not as pointy, tucking it in like so. And then yeah, this is basically how our zebra looks like so. You can obviously draw more stripes, so like the folds we just did, which isn't that visible, but they're supposed to emulate stripes. You can obviously try and draw some on yourself using a pen. I don't know, the more I look at it, I don't know what animal it looks like more. I mean, maybe you guys leave a comment down below as to what this looks like more. Because yeah, the more I look at it, the more I don't see zebra, and I think it's just because you can't see these folds as prominent, and there's not enough like of these folds to make it look like a zebra. But yeah, it looks really cute either way. So yeah, as usual, everyone, write a comment down below, anything you want to suggest. Thumbs up this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more origami videos like this and other sorts of arts and craft video I do on here. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.